We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive overview of the RII Antique Decor Spyglass, a pirate telescope that promises vintage charm combined with practical use. This product is a handcrafted brass telescope designed to mimic the antique spyglasses used in nautical history. It features a push and pull mechanism to focus on distant objects, extending to 16 inches when fully opened and collapsing to 6.5 inches for portability. The diameter measures 1.75 inches, making it a compact and easy-to-carry monocular. It comes with a leather carrying case, enhancing its appeal as a decorative and functional item. Users appreciate the authentic vintage look and the quality of the brass craftsmanship, which gives the spyglass a real antique feel. Many have noted that it makes an excellent decorative piece for home or office, adding an elegant and sophisticated touch to any space. It is also a popular gift choice for travelers, nautical collectors, and those interested in historical replicas. The spyglass is versatile enough to be used for birdwatching, hiking, sports events, sightseeing, and role-playing activities. Performance-wise, the spyglass does function as a viewing instrument, though with some limitations. Several users mentioned that while it does magnify distant objects, the clarity is not perfect, and there can be a white haze that affects the image quality. Focusing requires patience and some trial and error, as the push and pull mechanism demands careful adjustment to bring objects into clear view. Some users found it challenging to focus sharply, especially at first, but with practice, the image quality improves. It is not recommended for professional or critical use such as navigation on boats, but serves well for casual observation and decorative purposes. A few customers have reported issues with the optics assembly, including magnifiers being installed backward, which makes viewing difficult unless the spyglass is looked through the opposite end. This seems to be a rare defect, but one that potential buyers should be aware of. Additionally, the leather carrying case, while visually appealing, received mixed reviews. Some found it to be cheaply made and noted an unpleasant smell and residue upon unboxing which could be cleaned off, but detracted from the initial experience. The spyglass is praised for its solid brass construction, which promises durability and longevity. However, some buyers noted minor cosmetic imperfections such as scratches on the metal, likely from handling or quality control issues. Despite these flaws, the overall build quality is considered good for the price point. In summary, the RII Antique Decor Spyglass is a well-crafted vintage-style telescope that excels as a decorative item and a novelty gift. It offers a nostalgic experience for those who enjoy pirate memorabilia or historical replicas. While its optical performance is not professional grade, it is functional enough for casual use and adds charm to any collection. The product's affordability and unique design make it a worthwhile purchase for enthusiasts and gift buyers. If you own this item, please leave your review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. Remember, the product link is in the description to support the channel.